HTML basic structure. Firstly, we make a project folder where we will do all the activities related to the HTML. Let's open my computer, go to the F drive, and create a new folder with the name HTML. Now, go to the search bar, and type Notepad, then open the Notepad, click on the File menu in Notepad and click the Save As option. The File Explorer opens. Write the name of the document, but remember to add the extension .html after the name, like structure.html. And select the folder where you want to store the structure.html file. I select the recently created folder with the name HTML inside the F drive. Before learning the structure, you should have knowledge of tags. HTML tags are like keywords which defines how a web browser will format and display the content. In simple word, a letter of the word enclosed in less than and greater than symbol is called tag. There are two types of tags. 1 opening tag, 2 closing tag. Open tag. A letter of the word enclosed in less than and greater than symbol is called an opening tag. Example 1, P letter enclosed in less than and greater than symbol called opening tag. Example 2, HTML word enclosed in less than and greater than symbol called opening tag. Close tag. A letter of the word enclosed in less than and greater than symbol with backslash is called an closing tag. Example 1, P letter enclosed in less than and greater than symbol with backslash called closing tag. Example 2, HTML word enclosed in less than and greater than symbol with backslash called closing tag. If you start a tag, then it should be close. These tags are used in HTML basic structure. 1 HTML tag, 2 head tag, 3 title tag, 4 body tag. HTML defines the content of the document. We put all the styling properties inside the head tag. In the title tag, we write the name of the document. The HTML body tag defines the main content of the HTML document, or the section of the HTML document that will be directly visible on your web page. First, we write the HTML open tag and close tag. Second, we write the head tag open and close. Third, we write the title open and close tag inside the head tag. Inside the title tag, we write the name of the document. At last, we write body tags open and close. Everything we write in the body tag will be displayed on the screen. Save the file by pressing Ctrl+S, or click Save As option in the menu. To see the output, let's open a Chrome. Now we see nothing in the screen because we do not write anything inside the body. Now we write something here inside the body tag. Save the file by pressing Ctrl+S. Let's refresh the Chrome by pressing F5 key. You see the output on the screen. Let's change and write Hello World inside the body tag. Save the file by pressing Ctrl+S. Let's again refresh the Chrome by pressing the F5 key. You see the output on the screen. Let's add something more Hello Everyone inside the body tag. Save the file by pressing Ctrl+S. Let's again refresh the Chrome by pressing the F5 key. You see the output on the screen. Watch the output on a different browser. Right-click on the structure file and click the Open With option, or click on the Internet Explorer. Let's watch on the Microsoft Edge.